Hello student, I am Prachi. This is the part 2 of maintenance of electrical equipment MCQs on unit 5. So, first is which cooling technique is employed for large turbo alternator? So, forced air cooling, hydrogen cooling, direct water cooling, only B and C or all of this? So, the answer is all of this. Means cooling technique is employed for large turbo alternators is forced air cooling, hydrogen cooling, direct water cooling. And the next is what is the value of R and C in RC surge suppressor? So the answer is B, means R is equals to 100 ohm and C is equals to 0.5 microfarad. So this is the value of R and C in RC surge suppressor. Next is which among the following factor affect the cost of motor? First is reliability and availability. Second is installation and commissioning charges. Third is running cost, kVAR. Fourth is depreciation formula used. So the correct answer is D, means first is reliability and availability. Second is installation and commissioning charges. Third is running cost, kVAR, and fourth is depreciation formula used. Then the next question is which motor is preferred for cement industry? Squirrel cage motor, synchronous motor, universal motor, DC series motor. So the synchronous motor is preferred for cement industry, means the answer is option B. Then the next is what is the permissible value of temperature of the machine parts while drying out by resistance method? 65 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius, 80 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer is option C, that is 80 degrees Celsius. Means the permissible value of temperature of the machine part while drying out by resistance method is 80 degrees Celsius. Next is class B insulating material operates on 130 degrees Celsius temperature, means class B insulating material operates on 130 degree Celsius temperature. Next is insulating material have electrical properties, chemical properties, mechanical properties, all of these. So the insulating material has all these properties. Next is factors affecting life of insulating material, mechanical stresses, thermal stresses, electrical stresses, all of these. So the correct answer is all of this, means all the factors affecting the life of insulating material, mechanical, thermal and electrical. These are the three factors affecting life of insulating material. Next is the insulation resistance decreases, increases, remains constant. So the insulation resistance decreases with temperature, means insulation resistance decreases with temperature. Next is the dielectric loss is increases with temperature, means insulation in resistance is decreases with temperature and dielectric loss is increases with temperature. Then the next is the insulation resistance is to be measured immediately after machine stop running, means insulation resistance is to be measured immediately after machine stop running. Then the next is method of purification and filtration of insulation. So the correct answer is option D, that is the A and C both, means centrifugal purifier and streamline filter. These are the method of purification and filtration of insulation. Next is reconditioning of insulated material is. So the cleaning of insulation, drying of insulation and revarnishing of insulation are the reconditioning of insulated material. So the following is not a property of transformer oil. Acidity should be high is not a property of transformer oil. Then the next is method of measurement of high insulation resistance. So the method of measurement of high insulation resistance is Megger. All know that is the Megger. It is very simple question, but it is asked in a exam, so it is important. So next is DAR, that is dielectric absorption ratio is below 1.25 indicates poor insulation, means DAR is below 1.25 indicates poor insulation. Next is revarnishing of insulation method, air dry varnish by brush method, air dry varnish by spray method and hot dip method. Next is in dielectric strength test on transformer oil gap between two 2.5 millimeter, between 2.5 millimeter. Next is testing of transformer oil is done by using flashpoint test, crackle test and acidity test. All these options are true, and testing of transformer oil is done by using all these tests, means acidity test, crackle test and flashpoint test. Next is class H insulating material operates on. It operates on 180 degree Celsius temperature. So this is the part 2 of unit 5 of maintenance of electrical equipment. So see the part 1 today's. Thank you.